Minea for Dropshipping Review. Watch before using. Links to Minea and related resources are added in the description for you to check out. Minea is a powerful ad intelligence tool built specifically for dropshippers and e-commerce marketers who want to identify winning products and analyze competitors before investing time and money into ads. Unlike traditional product research tools that just show trending items, Minea takes a deeper approach by focusing on competitor ad tracking across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and even Snapchat. This gives you direct insights into what's actually being sold successfully right now, not just what looks good on paper. One of its standout features is the ability to see the exact creatives competitors are using, how long their ads have been running, and the engagement metrics behind them. This helps you gauge whether a product is proven to sell and how saturated the market might be. Minea also allows you to filter ads by country, niche, or type of store, which is especially valuable for targeting specific markets or finding untapped opportunities. Another feature that makes Minea unique is its influencer tracking function, showing you which products are being promoted by influencers on social media. For anyone running TikTok or Instagram ads, this is an incredible advantage since you can see what's trending organically and decide whether to jump on that wave. Minea's store analysis tool is also highly effective. You can check out competitor stores, see what products they're pushing, what ad strategies they're using, and how their traffic looks. This takes the guesswork out of finding successful strategies and allows you to model your campaigns on proven tactics. For dropshippers just starting out, Minea can shorten the product testing phase dramatically by pointing you straight to validated products with real data backing them. For experienced sellers, it offers a competitive edge by revealing new trends before they become oversaturated. The platform is paid, but the value it provides in terms of saved time, reduced testing costs, and increased ad success rates far outweighs the subscription fee. Minea is made for anyone serious about dropshipping or scaling e-commerce campaigns, whether you're building your first store or running multiple six-figure brands. It's not about guessing. It's about using data-driven intelligence to make smarter decisions, and that's exactly what Minea delivers. If you're looking to stay ahead of competitors and spot winning products faster, Minea is one of the best tools available right now. Check the links in the description to try it for yourself and see how it fits into your dropshipping business.